Hello. Today we are going to go over how to place a hold on an item via the online catalog. Patrons are always welcome to place holds in person or over the phone, but some may find it more convenient to do it themselves online. We will start here, on the catalog page. If you need a reminder on how to get to this point, please watch our previous video on using the catalog. First, you need to log into your account. You can do this by clicking the Sign In button over here. Once the Sign In dialog box appears, you'll need to input your library card number and PIN. Your card number is the long number on the back of your physical library card. You should not input the spaces on your library card number, only the actual digits shown on the back. Your PIN number by default should be the last 4 digits of the phone number connected to your account. If your PIN is not working, you can give us a call at 973-285-6970 or come to the book information desk in person and we can reset your PIN for you. If you have lost your physical library card, please come into the library with a driver's license or other form of ID and we will be able to give you your card number. Once signed in, we can begin the process of placing a hold. We will assume that you know what book you are looking for in this example. Remember to consult our previous video if you need a refresher on searching the catalog. In this example, let's assume that we are searching for the New York game. So we type that into the search bar here, and voila, it's our first result. Placing a hold from here is simple. All you do is click the Place Hold button. You will get a pop-up box asking your preferred pickup location. Typically, you will want to select Morris County Library, or your local town library if that's more convenient for you. You can click the Always Use This Pickup Location box if you want. And that's it. As you can see, the item is now on hold for us. Let's do a second example with a slightly more complicated book choice. If we search for Moby Dick, we get Moby Dick as the first result, as one would expect. But if we click Show Editions, we naturally find that there are countless editions of Moby Dick out here within the main system. This is common for classic books, or any book that has been republished numerous times. If you are looking for a specific version of this type of book, you will need to dive into the details on which version you are interested in, and place a hold on that version specifically. Otherwise, the library will just grab the first available copy of Moby Dick, and not worry about getting, for example, the 1981 Bantam version specifically. To manage your active holds, click here to access your account, then go to Titles on Hold. From here, you can cancel, freeze, or change the pickup locations of any of your holds. And that's really all there is to it. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask any librarian the next time you stop by, or give us a call at 973-285-6970. And we will be happy to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.